So first off, excuse the dishwasher. I ran the dishes, so you're gonna hear that in the back. This is today's birdseed mix. This is some berberine. Poop. Vitamin E. One a day mints for everything that the basics that I miss. Calcium. This one already has zinc and copper, so I'm going to put zinc away. I don't need this one. This one you have to take 4. 1, 2, 4. Fenugreek. Oh yeah, so me and my friend Jordan, when we started taking all these vitamins, we were like, it looks like bird seed, so now we call it birdseed mix. Like, this is my birdseed for the day. Yeah, great. It's like the best part, not ashwagandha. Milk thistle. This one's fish oil. We'll take 2 of these. Inside here, I already had another fish oil and melatonin for when I can't sleep. I'm gonna have to start taking that again because this past week has been rough. Selenium. Jordan convinced me to do this one. I still don't know what it is. I think it's for your prostate. Okay, wait. It's called Saw Palmetto. I don't know if you guys know what that is. I don't know what that is. But like, me and Jordan usually don't really overrule each other that much. Enchantia Golden Seal blend. L-arginine. Alright, fills up this whole thing right here. This one is actually for like blood flow and stuff, but then since coincidentally it's also for blood flow, it also helps with like the downstairs. Because we need 2 of them. Okay. I need good blood flow. Gotta work on my liver and my kidneys. So. And then copper. And lymphatic acid. That's today's birdseed. It fills up this whole barrel right here. The only thing that was in here before that was the melatonin and the other fish oil bottle. Today I will be chasing it with Uptime Mango Pineapple, which is delicious, by the way. It is. Oh, and there's only 5 calories on there, so it works well with your macros. Sometimes the cover's hard to get off though. Okay, this is today's birdseed mix. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it all at one time. I'm gonna freaking choke. Look. That's been my birdseed for like the last how long now? Cheers.